sing you a song just around this one microphone here. And it's going to be real quiet. It's the team game. And I realised the innate challenge of trying to shut any American up, really. Walked right into that one, didn't you? Too easy. But this many Americans all at once. It's a challenge. Anyway, we're going to sing you one like this, if that's all right, and even if it's not. Our mother's here tonight. Thank you so much, Mum. Cold is the world today. Freezing, already cold. Already cold, cold. Death is at your doorstep. It will steal your innocence. It will not steal your substance. But you are not alone in this. You are not alone. Others will stand and hold your hand. You are the mother of your baby child, one to whom you gave birth. And you have your choice here. And these are what made man his ladder to the sun. But you are not alone in this. You are not alone in this. His brothers will stand and will hold your hand. Hold your I will tell the night and whisper